In the world of MotoGP, major changes often arise from the courage to break with tradition. That is what Yamaha is now doing by introducing a V4 engine in its flagship racing bike, the Yamaha YZR-M1. After long remaining faithful to the smooth and stable cross-plane inline-4 configuration, Yamaha has finally stepped into a new era. The V4 engine was chosen for its ability to deliver more aggressive acceleration, strong traction when exiting corners, and more effective power distribution on modern tracks. However, this step was not easy. Yamaha had to overhaul its old philosophy, starting from the engine character, chassis balance, to power settings in order to maintain precision at high speeds. The V4 engine does promise great performance potential, but it also requires complex adjustments to aerodynamics and handling. If perfected, this change could be a turning point for Yamaha's revival in MotoGP. For Yamaha, V4 technology is not new. In the 1980s, the world witnessed the ferocity of Yamaha's two-stroke V4 engine in the RD500, a legendary motorcycle born from Grand Prix racing DNA. The RD500 wasn't just fast, it symbolized Yamaha's boldness in bringing track technology to the streets. At the time, rumors even swirled about a mysterious project called the Yamaha RD1000, a two-stroke motorcycle said to be far more aggressive. Now, decades later, that dream seems to have been revived with the arrival of the 2026 Yamaha RD1000 V4. This motorcycle is said to combine a large-capacity V4 engine with modern technology, delivering the explosive power characteristic of the RD while remaining controllable thanks to traction control, riding modes, and the latest generation of engine management. In terms of design, the RD1000 V4 2026 looks radical and full of racing aura. Its silhouette is sharp with aerodynamic fairings equipped with integrated winglets, directly inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP philosophy. The latest generation aluminum delta box frame is combined with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension to maintain stability at high speeds and when taking extreme corners. With a superbike-class Brembo braking system, a long swing arm typical of racing bikes, and 4 racing exhaust pipes, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, emitting a fierce roar, the RD1000 V4 makes one thing clear. This bike was built for performance. If the Yamaha YZR-M1 represents Yamaha's future on the racetrack, then the 2026 Yamaha RD1000 V4 is the realization of a dream come true, a tribute to the legendary Yamaha RD500, while also signaling the beginning of a new era for Yamaha's V4 engines. Thanks for watching.